Welcome to my channel, Nina Ejimof Unleashed. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate a hyper-realistic AI portrait pictures. You will generate it and use it to create your content, beautiful content. You generate and charge people for it. You can also teach people how to do it. A lot of people have been charging to teach this for free. What you can repair me with, please just subscribe to my channel, click the notification button, and also share so that other people will benefit from it. I personally charge for it, charge people to create, charge people to teach them, but I'm teaching it for free here. Please stay to the end. At the end, I will tell you the app that I use to generate the pictures. I will tell you the app and how to use it. I'm also going to add a little of how I did it, the AI portrait. Please stay till the end. Do not be in a hurry to learn. You will learn it. There are different apps that you can use, but the particular one I use here, I'm going to tell you at the end of this video. Okay, when you download the app from the Apple Store, you are going to log in. You're going to log in, sign up with they charge a certain amount for subscription. There's also a pro version, but the one for monthly subscription is you can use that. You have a free version of it. Okay, the clip I'm going to be showing you, when I actually did it, there was poor network and all that. There are some things that are there that you might not understand, so let me explain it now. When you choose your picture and select a model, the models are supposed to display. They're supposed to display the models for you to look at the pictures and know the particular one you want to use. Okay, but in that video there was network issue, so the models didn't come up, but I just selected one because I had been using it. I selected one and then I used it to generate my pictures. After generating your pictures, okay, after generating your pictures, I explained all those things here, but let me just mention it here. You can actually change. There is a place to retrain. You clicked to retrain. That means you have to select a different picture. Maybe you want to use another person's picture. Okay, each time you select a different picture, it will use that particular picture to generate pictures for you. But when you want to use another one, you go back and retrain. At retrain is where you put a different picture that you'll be using to work on. Thank you. Watch the video. Beautiful pictures. This thing has been going on. A lot of people are charging large sum of money. I charge people to teach. I charge people to generate AI pictures for them, but now I want to show it to you free. Just watch till the end. At the end, I will tell you the app that I use to generate it. When you get here, you will be asked to choose either male or female. Choose either male or female. Choose either male or female. The one you want. When you choose the one you want, I'm going to be choosing a female. I choose a female. Continue. Okay, it will ask you to upload your selfie. Upload a selfie. That is your picture, the particular picture you want to generate. Okay, the same person. You can't use different people. The same person, 8 different selfies. You click here to upload the pictures. You click here to upload the pictures. Okay, upload 8 pictures. I'm in my gallery to upload my picture. Actually, I always advise that when you want to do such thing, you put the pictures you want to use at the beginning, so it will be easy for you. You don't have to scroll. Okay, but I actually didn't prepare for this. That's why I'm scrolling. Okay, you click continue. I have selected the 8 pictures I want to use. Okay, I've clicked continue. I hope you are following what I'm doing. Please, if you have not liked our video, kindly do so. Here is asking me to pick a model. It is now working on the picture. The picture that this one actually took time because of network. Okay, it is now working on the picture that I selected. It's going to take like 6 minutes. At the initial time, at the startup time, it takes a longer time than when you want to regenerate. You can actually use your picture to generate as many times. Okay, Then you also, if you want to change, use another person's picture, another person's picture, okay, you go to retrain. From retrain, that's where you retrain, where you put select another person's picture that you want to generate. Okay, please kindly like our video, please. I'm not charging you for this. A lot of people charge. I make pictures for people, but I'm teaching this for free. All you can do for me is to subscribe to my channel, click the notification button, wait till you get to the end. Do not be in a hurry. Wait till we get to the end. I will tell you the name of the app that I use, that you too can use. The app is very easy to use, but it has you have to subscribe to it just with the token. You have to subscribe to it. There are 3 different apps. Okay, 3 different apps. We have let me not mention it till we get to the end. Your ears are itching. Just wait till the end, you will see it. Okay, taking a longer time because of the pictures. It has generated the pictures. Okay, the network was really bad. Actually, it was supposed to show me the model to select from, but due to bad network, the pictures didn't come out. I actually selected one. Okay, so when it gets here, whichever one you want, you shift to the, if you see a particular picture you want, you shift to the right. If you do not want it, you shift to the left. It will be deleted. When you shift to the right, it's going to save. You will find it in your gallery. Okay, when you shift to the left, the app is going to ask you the reason why you don't want to select that. Okay, oh yeah, let's go. Click here. You can click this place to download. You can click here to download. You can click here to delete, or you shift to the right or shift to the left. Okay, I will download this. 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 Anyone you do not like this one, my eyes are not showing, are not okay, so I will delete it, and it will ask me I don't like it. So when you're through with that, it will generate 6 pictures for you. When you're through with the one you have generated, you want to generate more, you click here to generate more pictures. Okay, you click here to generate more pictures, or you want to change the model that you use. You know, there is a model I chose. You want to change the model that you use, you click here to change the model that you used. Okay, all right, and then you want to change the image. You want to change another person. This is for changing the model that I use. The model that I use, you know, in that model there are different model how you want your picture to look. That's where you choose it. And this one to generate more pictures when you are done with this particular one. Okay, this is our channel. Please kindly share this video for others to learn. A lot of people are paying for it. Photographers, this is a good app for you to use and edit your pictures. No stress editing pictures, no stress of even changing clothes. Okay, you just send your client. Your client does not even need to come to the studio. Just send you random pictures and use it to give them beautiful pictures. If our video, share, subscribe, click the notification button. Okay, thank you. Remini. Remini. That's the name of the app. That's the name of the app. If you want to change the face, this is how to go about it. You come to this interface. You see that you see the setting icon. You click on it. It will bring you to this face where you will see the retrain a model. So that we now have to click there. You click there to get the picture that you want, the next person, the next face that you want to change. Okay, and you click here, change the model, it will change it. Please kindly subscribe. It will take you to this face, so you start all over how you did it before, how you selected a female, selected a model, generated your picture and all that. You remember you also you upload 8 selfies. Okay, all right, thank you.